Hello and welcome back to Mah's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm making a very typical Damascene dish. It's called Mujaddara, and this was requested, and it wasn't requested by Arabs. It was requested by a foreigner who just actually loves the dish. And I just want to show you how simple it is, yet it's really full of flavor. And I don't know, it's just one of those comfort dishes we have in Syria. A very important ingredient in this dish is crispy onions, or caramelized crispy onions. And there's two methods. Either you deep fry the sliced onions, or the method I prefer is I just cook it on medium heat in some olive oil until it starts to caramelize and then crisp up. It gives a nice crisp sweetness, versus the deep frying sometimes can just give that little taste of burn. So it takes longer, but it's so much nicer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put part of this in the pot I'm going to cook the rice and lentils in. I have here short grain rice. I soaked it about 2 hours in water, and then I just rinsed it over and over again until the water runs clear. This is to get rid of the starch. It's very important to saute the rice before you add any other ingredients. I have here just brown lentils boiled in some water, no salt, nothing, and that's it. So this might be like maybe a cup and a half of liquid, because I need to adjust the rest for the rice. I'm going to add just a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit of the crispy onions. Salt, black pepper. Always taste the salt, it has to be perfect. I'm going to cover it. We're going to cook it on a medium heat just until the liquid has evaporated. Whilst the mujaddara is cooking, I'm going to make a quick, simple Arabic style salad. I like having it with a salad because it's very heavy on the carb side. So when you have a salad next to it, it kind of balances the intake of carbs versus fiber. Onion, cucumber, some pepper, yellow, red, green, doesn't matter. Tomato, dried mint, a squeeze of lemon, and a little bit of apple vinegar, salt, olive oil. And that's it, very simple, and it works perfect with the mujaddara. Kind of turn it a bit gently, and 5 more minutes and it should be done. Some crispy onion and a little bit of pomegranate, and that's it, it's ready. It's literally 3 ingredients: rice, lentils, onions. Delicious. I like to eat it with the salad. Really simple, delicious, vegan. Really, give it a go.